Forecast.
Good morning, it's 5:43 and we're taking a live look over downtown Wilmington. Notice we're not seeing really any clouds out there, not dealing with any rain. It's a very peaceful and pleasant start to our Friday. Take a look at temperatures right now. That view kind of is a little deceiving though. Things are very warm as you're stepping out the door. 78 degrees for Lumberton, 76 for Whiteville, 77 for Elizabethtown. Here in the Port City, 78 degrees. Dew point temperatures are in the 70s, so very tropical like it feels. When you walk outside, you'll definitely notice how heavy the air will feel because it's containing so much moisture in there. It has created a little bit of foggy areas in Lumberton, including Wallace. Otherwise, everyone else not going to have to deal with any delays to your morning commute. Storm Track 3 radar and satellite shows just mainly clear skies out there. So if you're wanting to check out the sunrise here in the next few minutes, it's going to be a really nice one. But take a look at all this area that is seeing those clear skies this morning, mainly the entire southeastern portion of the United States, and that's because of this high pressure system that is just continuing to build over us. But over the next couple of days, we'll see this continue to move westward. So this upper level ridge is going to keep us in that very hot pattern for the next couple of days, and then by the middle of next week we'll see more storm chances, and we'll have a little bit of a dip in our jet stream, and that will allow cooler temperatures. But I say cooler lightly because it's just going to bring us back down to where we should be for this time of year. So Pinpoint Futurecast will take us to the next 48 hours. Things will warm up quickly into the lower 80s by 8 o'clock. Then the afternoon, notice we're not really seeing any activity build up. Even that sea breeze looks like it's going to have a hard time to move inward. So temperatures going to be reaching into the middle to upper 90s. We could see 100 degree found really far inland and maybe to Fayetteville, but overall very, very hot day. It looks like overnight hours could see an isolated storm, but a very, very low chance. Starting out our Saturday, temperatures around 80 degrees at 7 a.m. and then the afternoon, again, that sea breeze might work its way in there and maybe a spotty shower or storm, but very low chance to see that develop. And temperatures again into the middle 90s, maybe some upper 90s for the inland locations. Notice this activity up to the north. This could bring a shower or two through the overnight hours, but I think a lot of the heaviest activity will stay to the north of us, and starting out our Sunday morning should be a dry one as well. So the weekend forecast looks like this. Very hot for the first 2 days. 98 today, 97 tomorrow, and then we'll have that activity that we saw on Futurecast that's actually associated with a front, and that's going to cool us down a little bit, but that 89 degrees is where we should be for the middle of July. So lots of sunshine in there, partly cloudy skies by Sunday with about a 30% chance of storm. So if you want to go out Sunday to the beach, should be a nice one. Several days for beach weather over the coming days. So if you're heading out for a walk or a bike ride, do it early, because look, by 10 o'clock, 87 degrees, feel like temperatures will be well into the 90s by then with those mostly sunny skies. So highs today into the 90s, mostly sunny. Heat indices around 104 degrees. We could see a little bit higher than that for the inland spots, but very, very hot one. That's all I can say. A hot and hazy, humid day for southeastern North Carolina. If you want to head out to the beaches, 88 degrees. A low risk for rip currents. If you have any plans tonight, should be a nice one if you want to go have dinner on the riverfront. Partly cloudy skies. Can't completely rule out an isolated storm. Tropical satellite, nothing of concern. That 7-day forecast keeps us in the 90s all 7 days, maybe a touch under that 90-degree mark on Sunday, but we're going to be right at it. Notice storm chances, they increase as we go into next week. So if you have any plans this weekend, should be a really, really nice one.
It's going to be a really hot one.
Yeah, lots going on that you'll tell us all about a little bit later and what's happening. But Downtown Sundown is tonight, so good night for that.
Yep.
With the 80s band, the 80s tribute band.
Yes, the Breakfast Club.
Yes, did we do that one
We
last
were there
year?
last year.
Yeah,
We had so
awesome.
much fun. All right, so while things are going smooth around